Hey, you're watching Yoga with AJ, and today we're going to work on the upper body, strengthening the muscles of the upper back, the shoulders, the chest, even the arms. So when we're strengthening the chest and the shoulders, these are the muscles that help us to breathe a lot of oxygen in, really breathe well. Let's get started with our upper body poses. It's very nice to feel open in the chest because we're often not doing that. On our smartphones, on our computers, we're always looking down. So we're going to do the fish. You're going to come onto your back, rest the lower back on the floor, and you're going to try and slide your arms underneath your body, trying to hide your elbows under your back, bringing them as close to each other as you can. Now, some of us don't have that stretch in the upper body or in the shoulders and in the elbow joint. We may not be able to do this. So it's okay to have your elbows just next to you. And then stretch out the legs. Inhale deeply, look up at your feet, come up onto your elbows. Open up the chest, roll the shoulders back, and then try and bring the crown of the head down onto the floor. You're going to hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. You're balancing gently on your elbows and the crown of your head. And gently release the pose by sliding your head back, releasing the arms from under the body, coming into corpse pose, Shavasana for a few moments. Separate your hands, move them away from your body. The legs are 3 to 4 feet apart. Gently stretch out your neck and allow your breath, your breathing to come back to normal. Gently draw your feet together. Stretch your arms overhead. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bring your arms by your side. Slowly sit up. You can do the same thing if this is very difficult for you, using a yoga block or a bolster. So the block, the bolster needs to be just below your shoulder blades, where the shoulder blades end. Just opposite where your heart might be. Placing the block in a way that it won't hurt you or pinch you. Straightening out the legs when you're comfortable, relaxing the arms, and then trying to bring the crown of your head down towards the floor. You can find the right place under your shoulder blades. Adjust the block and just lie there for a few seconds. Draw the feet together if you feel comfortable doing that. Relax the arms and the shoulders, relax the elbows. The heart is open in this position. It's usually not like this. The rib cage is wide open. The lungs can take in a lot of oxygen, so breathe deeply. Allow the chest and the abdomen to expand every time you inhale. When you're ready to come out, support yourself on your elbows, remove the block or the bolster, and lie down in corpse pose. Your feet are a good 3 or 4 feet away from each other. Relax your arms, your shoulder blades. Turn the palms up towards the sky. Relax your body, relax your mind, and just enjoy being in that state. When you have strong chest muscles, open shoulders, open chest, you can take in a lot more oxygen. You're watching Yoga with AJ. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep connecting with yourself.